Hello, this is Annalisa from Faith Dream Create, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a thank you card for you, and I'm going to be using a older set that may be discontinued from the Unity Stamp Company. This is called Warmth of Home, and it was a Beth Duff Designs collaboration with Unity Stamp Company. So if it is still available, I will link it down below. If not, I am an advocate for using the stamp sets you have in your collection. So hopefully you can find something else that works or create a similar scene. So I'm just going ahead and masking off the reindeer and the Christmas tree on those pillows so that I can use it for a non-Christmas scene. It was a Christmas couch on this set. And then I went ahead and stamped that, and then I'm going to stamp out these critters from the Lawn Fawn Critter Concert. And I'm using Memento Tuxedo black ink. And then I will go ahead and color these in Spectrum Noir markers. And all the supplies that I use are always listed down below in the description box and also on my blog post. So you can find more information down there, and there will be a link to the blog post. So I only end up showing the coloring for the critters. I do go ahead and color the couch in as well, but I do not have that footage, so it would have been a lot of coloring anyways. So you will see the finished product as we go. But I did create this card for a raffle prize for a music company last summer, and this is the last card from that raffle prize. I have shared all of the cards on my channel over this last little while, over this last year. I made them in June. So at the end of this video, I will show you how I organized the raffle prize and how I presented it to give away. I had a lot of fun creating the presentation of it. I got a lot of products from Dollarama, which is a Canadian dollar store here, similar to Dollar Tree. And yeah, so I will show you that at the end. So stay tuned for that to see that as I finally bring you all of those cards that I created for that. And I'm also going to go ahead and create a background in a little bit. And I will not be showing you exactly how I did that, but based on if you watch my channel, you will probably have an idea of how I have made the background, or if you look at the background itself, you're going to know what I'm going to do here. So I went ahead and created the background with some Distress Oxide inks, and in the background for the wall is Cracks Pistachio and a vintage photo for the floor area, the hardwood floor. And then I'm just also going ahead and using the Xyron sticker maker to create these little critters and make them into stickers so I can easily add them to my scene. And I also went ahead and colored in the couch gray with some Spectrum Noir markers and added some colors into the pillows and the blanket. So I'm going to get these critters here popped into the scene, and I just love how this is going to turn out. My favorite critter in this scene is coming up. The owl jumping on the top of the couch playing the violin. I just think it's so fun. And then I go ahead and use this Simon Says stamp thanks die, and I'm using the Sizzix Sidekick machine. There's also one by Tim Holtz. I will list them down below in the description box. And then I go ahead and use the Simon Says stamp stamp set here that is also has a lot of thanks sentiments, and I use Really Big from that. And that finishes off the card. I also added some Nuvo drops on the pillows, and this is the raffle prize presentation that I shared about, and this is how I presented it to the winners at the recital for a music company last summer. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.